Well, here we go, third time lucky. This one is an IBM ThinkPad 390. Oh, missing key. Looks in okay sort of condition, just a bit dirty. Let's check the voltage. Yep, 16 volts, 3.36 amps. Oh, the bottom's nice and clean. That's what she said. Looks in really nice condition underneath here. A little bit of dirt. Let's give it a quick blow. That's also what she said. What do we reckon then? Is this gonna come to life? Bring it down a bit so you can see. Oh, well, there's a hard drive in there, and I know that because I can hear it going click clunk, click clunk, click clunk. Oh, floppy drive, I heard that. Click clunk, click clunk. Wow, there's definitely a key stuck down, isn't there? God, blimey, I think I've gone deaf. Ah, look, on this one, the floppy drive and the optical drive are all in one unit, look. Ah, no, they're actually one unit, two separate devices, look. You can unscrew them. It's like one caddy holding the two of them. Yeah, looks nice and clean inside. Right, where's the hard drive likely to be? That's going to be the RAM, isn't it? Hard drive, hard drive. Oh, what's that? Oh, two little feet, look. What have we got in there? Oh, USB. One USB. Wow, infrared. Aha. That's going to be the hard drive there, isn't it? Look. Let's take a look and see what is in it. We know it doesn't work. I need to see if I've got something that I can replace it with. Come on, Mr. Screw, out you come. There we go. Oh, looks like it might be a chunky one. Yeah, it is, look. Oof, right. Put that down there. Oh, completely encased, look. Let's have a look. Try one of these. Ah, there we go. Bend that back into place. That should just... Ah, right, no, it's got a spacer in it, look. It's not the best choice, it's Spacer's choice. Oh no, that's a game, isn't it? Right, what we've got here, we've got an IBM Travel Star 3.25 gig, and that should just come off. Yeah, you see that? There you go, standard IDE connectors there. Can't quite see in the light, but oh well. Yeah. There we go, so I need to get that replaced. If the key's stuck down, I think it's going to need a bit of a clean. First things first, let's give it a quick air dust. No, nothing coming out of there, there's a few specks of dust. So what I'm going to do now is press every single key once or twice, just in case there was a bit of crap stuck under the key. Let's see if that has cleared the keyboard jam. There we go. Oh, LED come on. So I'll put the hard drive back in because I don't want to lose the connectors. Oh, there's the keyboard stuck down again. Now the interesting thing about that is that when I removed the power, it carried on beeping. So does that mean the battery is charging, or does that mean there's some sort of residual power in there? I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I'll find out later. Let's work out how you get this keyboard out then. I can see it clipped in here. Yeah, I imagine the whole thing's got to come off, or maybe this comes out. I think it's time to RTFM. Well, I've just had a quick look at the service manual and come here. Right, I think I'm going to need some of these spudgers to open this, because there should be, yeah, there it is, look, it's telling me there's a little flap, or what does it call it? I don't know, that must be on the other page. Oh well, let's have a look. Oh yeah. There you go. Always use a plastic spudger, not a metal one, on plastic, unless you absolutely have to. Right, two little screws here. Oh, have I got a screwdriver already, or have I got to go and get one? Oh, let's try this one. Oh yeah, lovely jubbly. So there's one there. Screw pop. Do that one, and then this should lift up, maybe. Yep, there's a little clip. I think it's clipped in just there. Again, let's use plastic spudger. Yeah, just says to lift it up, doesn't say to do anything else. This might be where I have to break the rule. No, something's not quite. No, it's not happy there. Oh, look, you push that in. No, I hope that's spring loaded. Yeah, look, that notch was being held. Right, now there's going to be a couple of ribbon cables here. One for the, just there, that's for the little nipple thing. So let's pull that one up. Ah, there we go, look. Just going to pull that bit up that side, put it up that side, pull that one up that side, and the t'other, and they should then come out nice and easy. There we go, look. Put this to one side. My trusty AF foam cleaner, and I'm just going to put a tiny amount on the keyboard. There we go. Oh, hang on, missed a bit. May even be that disconnecting the ribbon cables and reconnecting them might fix the error, but it's going to need a good old clean anyway. Look, the underneath's alright. There's no signs of any water damage or anything other than the foam cleaner I've just used. Yeah, that looks alright. Let's leave that to dry. I'm going to go and have my fish and chips. Well, that was nice. This should be dry by now, so let's get it installed back into this laptop. This is the fun part. So where you get one ribbon in and then the others fall out. Get out the way. There we go. Right. Push the sides down. Do it again, make sure it's all in. There we go. Right, got these notches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Funny way of counting them like that, but never mind. Just carefully slot them under. There we go. And that one. Right, where are my 2 screws? There they are. Careful not to over tighten them, because interesting fact here, or maybe not, technically all the screws on this laptop, and in most laptops actually, including modern ones, they're only one-time use. Huh? Yes, one-time use. If you read the service manuals, they will all tell you when you are replacing or removing any parts, you are supposed to remove the screws, chuck them away, and replace them with new ones, because they are only designed to be used the once. Never done that. Anyway, right, let's push that bit of plastic in. There we go. See, that's all nicely lined up. Let's just push that bit of plastic in. There we go. See, it's all nicely lined up now. And then this bit goes back in here, doesn't it? Somehow. Oh yeah, look, some notches. 1, 2, 3, 4 notches. Let's put those in. Oh, that's quite fiddly. Oh, I see why it's fiddly. Just there, that's a ribbon cable for the screen. There we go. We're in. Right, put my pot away. Remove the spudgers. That out of the way. And what do you reckon? Let's see if it's worked then. Oh, battery's all lit up. Turn it on. Now I know it's on because I can hear the hard drive clunking. Oh, we've got the ThinkPad logo, look. Floppy drive going. So any second now it should come up with an error. And then the keyboard hopefully won't go beep 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 beep. Hooray!